Hey everybody, welcome back to Ken's Food Review. Glad you're here today. We're over here at G's Slow Cooked BBQ down in Orange Park, right in Clay County. Got some great smelling barbecue right now. My mouth is watering. I got the pulled pork sandwich, which is just so monstrous. I don't even know how I'm gonna eat it as a sandwich. We got some pork here, and we got two different kinds of sauces. We got the sweet sauce, and we have that mustard sauce. That pork is good enough to not need sauce. I almost feel like I'm gonna be disrespecting it. But check this out. Ready? Check this out. This is what you get for a lunch combo meal. You get two sides. I got mac and cheese and some collard greens. They threw in some beautiful looking cornbread, as well as some baked beans. But look at the size of this sandwich. How are you gonna go wrong with that? This thing is monstrous. The bun's not toasted. It's just a nice fresh bun, which is good enough for me. Especially with how good this food smells right now, I'm not gonna be too worried about a toasted bun, but I didn't order the beans. I guess it came with beans. I guess they just read my mind. They knew I wanted beans. It's a very sweet, molassesy, and flavorful bean right there. The beans got a little bit of a tang to it with the vinegariness in it. Absolutely perfectly cooked. Absolutely delicious barbecue-y baked beans. Like, it doesn't get better than this. Try some of these collard greens out. They're very juicy and moist. Very soft and tender. They kind of just have a bland taste to them though. They're very good. They're very much cooked on point. They're not overcooked. They're nice and soft and chewy. Definitely no bitterness in it. There's no meat in these collard greens though. It's just all collard green. They do have a nice vinegary flavor to it as well. It's really light and just a light, good old school collard green. It's done right. It's definitely done right. Next up to the review board, we got some nice big chunk of pork. Throw it with the I think it's this one. They're both yellow, so I'm not really sure which one this one is. So we'll just have to do a taste test. It's either gonna be the tangy one or it's gonna be the mustard one. Just get her drowned up in there. I really almost feel like I'm disrespecting the meat right now. It's just shouldn't put barbecue sauce on this meat. It's that good. That one's very tangy. It has a lot of vinegariness to it. The sauce is very liquid and very tangy. I'm assuming that's not the mustard one. This one's a bit thicker. Looks more like a mustard would be. I feel like the sauces just take away from the meat. Like, it's good barbecue sauce, but with meat this good, it's almost like a sin to put barbecue sauce on something that tastes as delicious to begin with. This mustard one's where it's at. That's a yes for me right there. That's the best barbecue sauce right there, that mustard one. We're not gonna go wrong getting that. Let's try to take a bite out of this without making a huge mess and spending the next 6 hours cleaning my truck. Like I was saying earlier, it's just a fresh bun. It's not toasted at all or even grilled. It would definitely enhance the great tastiness of this awesome barbecue. The bread's still definitely good enough to soak up and absorb all that good mustardy flavored barbecue-ness. It just complements all that meat all together just perfectly. I think this might be my favorite barbecue place in all Florida at the moment. It might even beat Woodpeckers. Man, who knew Orange Park had good food? You know it's good food if all the police are hanging out here. Half of Clay County Sheriff's Office just walked out of this place. It's definitely a good thing to see the guys in green walking out of here, because obviously this is where the good food is if they're all coming here for lunch, and they're rolling like 5 deep right now. I don't think Clay County has that many officers on duty at this moment. Who knew? So we got this mac and cheese. It's baked homemade mac and cheese. Look at that cheesiness. And it's got a really long stringiness to it. I know the second I move it to try to take a bite, it's all just going to fall. So here we go. It's very cheesy. They definitely use a few different kinds of cheese on this mac and cheese. The pasta is soft and mushy, but it has such great flavor. I could eat this all day. It's a good thing I live on the other side of town, or else I'd probably be here every day eating. And that probably wouldn't be good for my gym routine. I'm gonna go. G's Barbecue, you're absolutely amazing. I'm very excited that I came here to eat. I mean, definitely great food, great spot. I mean, they have so many awards on the wall of winning barbecue competitions. It's absolutely crazy. They have at least 15 hanging on the wall. Never mind when you walk in the place, they have a bunch standing in front of you on a table. I can see why this place has a lot of first place finishes on their walls. They're definitely deserving of it. 8.5, that's a review. Until next time, y'all. Peace.